It's important to learn about the different data types and how they all communicate together. There are many sources of data in which we get our clinical data from for research. Most of these can be seen in a patient's chart. Clarity is the database that links with the patient's charts. HSDW stores the billing and financial information for patient encounters. Centricity stores the peri-op anesthesiology effort. Matrique stores the cancer registry data such as staging, treatment, and outcomes, and so on. Pathology is where we find the lab result data. And finally, the research data is what we bring in from study teams that have used our resources, such as recontacting patients and asking them to complete surveys. The survey responses are now part of the research data we're making available. Some of the data from these sources then feed into what we call the Research Data Warehouse, or RDW. The data from RDW then feeds into applications like DataDirect, which is a self-serve tool for researchers to use. This specific self-serve tool enables researchers to find eligible patients for research, as well as do retrospective data research. The Michigan Medicine instance of DataDirect is updated daily. Our work through Precision Health has been to de-identify or code the data from RDW and create a server which can feed a de-identified data direct. The de-identified Precision Health data direct has been date shifted and is only updated quarterly. Once a researcher downloads a query from DataDirect, it is stored in the Precision Health Secure Enclave called Turbo. Although the data from DataDirect is de-identified, we make sure that our storage and analytic environments are HIPAA aligned and PHI approved. There are two virtual machines or analytic environments for researchers to analyze the data through: Yottabyte, which is a Windows environment, and ARMIS 2, which is a Linux environment. Through ARMIS 2, researchers have the ability to use the 48 GPUs which have been purchased and made available by Precision Health. We have now added a SQL Server which will host the Precision Health de-identified RDW. This is the same exact data as the self-serve tool, but enables researchers to query big data without slowing down the system. For questions or data access assistance, please email the Research Scientific Facilitators at phdatahelp@umich.edu.